What's the meaning of big hitter? Big hitter. Big hitter.
Big hitter. Big hitter. The term big hitter typically refers to someone who is powerful and influential in their field or industry. It can refer to a person who is successful and has a significant impact on the outcome of a project or a business. In sports, a big hitter is someone who is known for hitting the ball a long distance, such as in golf or baseball. The term can also be used in a more general sense, to describe someone who is highly skilled and effective at what they do. Overall, being a big hitter implies a level of skill, success, and impact that sets someone apart from their peers.